One thing I love about the Executive Speak workshop is the idea that no one workshop fits all. And every time we're collaborating with organizations, we like the fact that we have to really tap into what the needs of the organizations are. This week, we are spending time with the COMESA Business Council as we continue in our quest to transform leaders into influential speakers, commanding attention, and inspiring action. We're excited about deep diving into presentation presence and business storytelling in really supporting the COMESA Business Council in its quest to support inclusive private sector participation in COMESA, in building regional and going global. So join us in the next 3 days and let's check out some of the highlights from the Executive Speak workshop this week.
We're going to delve into the practical elements of public speaking, storytelling, as well as general media preparation.
Filler words and phrases are a natural part of our communication. However, when it is overdone, it takes away your credibility as a speaker. Your words matching your movement. Let's say I walked into this room, and I just walked when saying I walked into this room.
And be proud of the strengths that you've been made aware of. Embrace your strengths as your superpower so that in the future, you will not be looking at yourselves as starting from scratch.
One of my key takeaways from this training was the importance of storytelling, because as a professional, I really thought it doesn't apply to me and it's not important. But after this training, it opened up my mind to the power of storytelling. In public speaking, could be when you're trying to maybe persuade someone into like approving a budget. Like today, the presentation I had to give on having the budget approved, I started out with a story, but as a professional, that's something I never thought would help in persuading someone to approve a budget.
What I loved most about the workshop was how practical the sessions were. They gave us an opportunity to dive into and to immediately put into practice what we had learned and receive feedback, which helped us to lock in the concepts.
What I have also learned is that public speaking is something that can be learned, and it's something that I can continue improving on if I put my mind to it and have a positive attitude towards it.
Building regional, going global.